so much for joining us today. So the theme this year is Success Has No Limits. And I'm going to share my personal story with you because I'm a living proof of this theme. So it was 1996 when I was sitting in a subway in Journal Square and going to pick up my yellow cab in New York City. So I was a cab driver in 1996. And I looked at the sign, it was like Hudson County Community College. And I'm like, you always wanted to get a college degree, and it's not too late. So I kind of got up next day to stop by, got up early to stop by at Hudson County Community College to pick up a catalog. So next day, again, so Hudson County Community College is right next to the Journal Square subway station. So I picked up the catalog, got on the train again, and I'm going through this catalog. And I see this guy with the turban, and it says, Dr. Dugal, Assistant Dean, Hudson County Community College Science and Technology Department. So I'm like, I couldn't speak English that much at that time, and I'm like, this is the guy who can guide me in the right direction. And next day, so I'm like, let me go there again and see if I can meet Dr. Dugal. And that's what I did. So he was kind enough to sit down with me for half an hour. And I'm like, I completed my 12th grade high school. And here I don't know what to do. And he sat down with me, and he's like, 96. Computers were upcoming, and he's like, computer engineering, you can probably, that's one thing that you can explore. And so, let me give you a little background. Why that guidance? I mean, that was kind of a life-changing event in my life. And I'm going to give you a little background why. Okay, so, I was born in a village close to Jalandhar. And so I got my high school from a government school there. And then I moved to just a lot of Doaba, Punjabi guys, they were moving for blue-collar jobs here. So that's what I did, 1993. Whenever we used to see people coming back, they were like loaded with all this gold and everything, and I'm like, look, this is the right thing to do. In 1993, I moved to Jersey City, New Jersey, after high school. So I started pumping gas at gas station on Route 22. And 6 months, so I didn't have license. And the next step, so my roommates were, some of them were pumping gas, some of them were driving taxis. So next step was that when you have license, you go make your yellow cab license, so go drive yellow cab to make more money. And that's what I did. So 1993 to 1996, I was driving full-time yellow cab. So 1996, so coming back to that, Dr. Dugal and him guiding me in the right direction, it kind of completely changed my life. And that's why I'm so passionate about this institution. That, a lot of people like me, when they come from villages, they have the same IQ, same EQ level, but because they're not able to unleash their potential because they don't get the right guidance. And there was no platform at that time that I could go to, kind of find a mentor. And now that's what we are giving back to our community, where they know if someone wants to give back, they know where to go. If someone wants to go get some guidance, they know where to go. So, long story short, 1996, started with Hudson County Community College, completed 1 year, and then the rest I completed at NJIT. Finished my computer engineering degree in 2000, and because of my computer engineering degree, I got a beautiful wife, and then we got married. So 2000, so 2002, 2005, I first worked for a public relations company, and then Atrium Staffing, and Bernie, who's the owner of Atrium Staffing, he's here as well. So that's where I was IT director. And then 2005, I started my own business. And today, we are a very successful IT solutions company with over 200 employees. And that's what I'm talking about when you talk about success has no limits. So 2011 comes when I was done with establishing my business. And I'm like, if I can do something to give back, what should I do? So as a go-giver, I used to be part of BNI. There's a Business Networking International in the city, and I was part of one of the chapters. And I called Yadavendra Pali because I know he worked in the community a lot. So throughout the world. And I'm like, Pali, do we have something like a professional platform where people can go and they network? And he's like, no, but we're also thinking about something in similar lines. And we have this, Sikh American Chamber of Commerce concept. If you're passionate about that, then why don't you try that? So that's when we got together, and then we got other, good friends like Natar Paji, Ritu Paji, Jasveer Paji. We have few friends. So we got together for dinner, and that's how the SACC was born. And that's why I'm so passionate about this institution. So 2011. So 2011, we registered SACC. 2012, March was our first annual gala. 2013, we started expanding to other cities because it was well received by the community and a lot of queries that, okay, what do I do if I want to start this chapter in my city? So in 2016, we sat together because now SCC Global is a global institution, and we want our vision, our dream is that there should be a SCC chapter in every single major city in the world. And we want to get together once a year in a resort, like it could be Orlando, it could be somewhere that all Sikh business people come together once a year to network with each other, to help each other, and do, so what Guru Nanak Ji started with Langar. So today's knowledge economy, knowledge sharing is the same thing. So chapters, we have 7 chapters, and we have some people from other chapters in as well. Our vision. Vision is to build a strong business community, because you are as strong as your business community in any country. And we want to have a very wealthy, healthy, strong community. And how do we achieve that success? Entrepreneurship. Developing our professionals, developing our entrepreneurs. That's what we got to do. We need to promote entrepreneurship, and that's what we do with some of these programs. Developing professionals, building a global Sikh business network. So if I want to open up a chapter in Bangalore or wherever, then I know I can tap into some resources there, and people from my community with my core values where they can understand me and help me. And these are, so you can check these programs on the website as well, and you have seen some of the pictures. These are the programs that are making that success happens. So now I'm going to take a minute to share 1 or 2 success stories. So with last February was our second job fair in Mentor Connect. We had a lot of people, it was a great success story. So in the interest of time, I can't have everyone here, but I have 2 people here. I would like them to share their experiences. So Veer Pratap Singh.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Veer Pratap Singh Deval, and I'm a student starting college in the fall at the NYU Stern School of Business. For 2 years now, I've been involved with the Sikh American Chamber of Commerce. As a student, I've had the privilege of witnessing and reaping a multitude of benefits from my 2 years of involvement with the Sikh American Chamber of Commerce. Earlier this year, I attended the 2nd annual SACC Job Fair and Mentor Connect event, where professionals and a variety of employers were available to give both career advice and help people adjusting to the career market. I was able to speak at that event with professionals who were from the industries I was interested in and learned quite a lot from them. By making advice available and structuring career paths and and even helping students select the right courses, the Job Fair and Mentor Connect event is able to spark an entrepreneurial drive in someone that they may have never thought they even had. With events like that, and of course our annual gala, the SACC upholds the bond which propels students and our entire community forward. I would like to thank the SACC mentors for providing me with advice and insight that I can use both in my academic career at college and later on in my life in my future growth opportunities. And with that, one day I also hope to be able to provide students with some of the insight I've gained from here, the SACC. Thank you.
So the second person I want, Shivani, please stand up. And then please. So Shivani, why don't you share 30 seconds elevator pitch kind of experience?
Good evening, everyone. I remember the first time I heard of SSCC was I'd gone to the Glen Rock Gurdwara and I saw this really bright poster and I was really intrigued. I'm sorry. So I was really intrigued to see what is it, since it was talking about not just an ordinary job fair or something like that. It was about mentor. So when I saw the word mentor, I went to read further. And before I knew, I was already there, and I went to the job fair and eventually ended up landing up there. And when I went there, I was like, for a living, I do, it's a fancy thing that I think I do, strategy and organizational development, and I try to bring the corporate, the business goals I implement the business goals, and I make the employee strategy according to that. So it sounds fancy, but at the end of the day, it's a support function. So you're usually given a stepchild treatment everywhere. You're not the sales, you're not technology. So when I went to the fair, I just went there, but I was so sure I'll get nothing out of it. But when I went there, awesome was an understatement, believe me. Right from camp, starting at the entrance, like even today, greeting everyone personally with a warm smile. And I didn't need to go anywhere else from her. I went straight to the IT by Design counter. And before I knew, I was in India doing a project with them. So that's how close I got, I got out of extracting an opportunity from them. And I did a project, the first project that I did, it wasn't just that I build relations with people. Yes, it's excellent for networking, but it wasn't just networking. I did a project with them. I went to India. I did some organizational restructuring they needed to do, and the HR department, I needed to set it up for them. So I did that, and back here I am again, and now it's become more like a very warm family, and I feel very, very nice being a part of this family, which is SACC. And people, I'm sure all of you already are members, but this is the right place to really exploit whatever potential you have, because it's a huge gamut of opportunities you get here. So make the best of it, guys. Thank you so much.
We have one more person, Louis. He came to the event as well. Louis, please, 30 to 60 seconds.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I just want to take 1 minute to say thank you. I met Gundeep over a year ago when he was working at a consulting job down in Nashville, Tennessee. Sorry about that. He's been helping me out for the past year, all through 2015. He's been offering advice on my what skills I should acquire. He gave me feedback on my resume. Earlier this year, he invited me to SACC's 2016 Job Fair Mentor Connect. Now, I never heard of a Mentor Connection thing, but it's a great idea. And I met Deepak Rudia, who's coming out currently an intern at Clear Analytics. And I think events like that and mentorship connections are very invaluable for people like me. And the next job fair, Sonny, please let me know what you all are doing and when it's going to happen, because I can't tell you how nice it is to go to a job fair and be able to talk to someone like a mentor and just have them explain to you, what's out there. So, thank you all. Thank you, SACC.
Thank you. Now he wants to learn more about citizen. Yeah, Gundeep, from the business connect perspective, just 30 seconds with, please.
So, hi everyone. My story is actually very, very simple. I am a senior manager with Ernst & Young, but like many of you want to be an entrepreneur. In fact, my business partner is sitting right here, Gaurav Kohli. So Gaurav and I, 3 years back, we started with our own venture. Around the same time that, actually 4 years back, first Gaurav was there. And Sweet, Viji was there, Sweet would be many of you know, and was very inspired with whatever Sweet was talking about. Right after that, I reached out to Sweet saying that, hey, Paji, we are doing this project in Africa where we are working with a few hundred farmers. And we're trying to enable technology to those farmers, and we would need some tablets. Is there some level of discount that you can offer? It's a social cause. And Paji was like, hey, it's a social cause. And I believe a lot in CSR, corporate social responsibility. And if you promise me that it's a social cause, 50% discount on the tablets, and half of them would be actually free from my side. And I thought this was awesome, and this is what Business Connect is all about. And right from that day, he's been helping me out. Jassi Chadda, Sunny, these are some of the amazing mentors that I've had through this journey that I'm going through. Thank you.
Yeah, so we have seen all these pictures. Now, I want to thank and recognize our board of directors. Please stand up. Omkar Singh Paji, Rajendra Singh Paji, Jasmeet Singh Paji, Rajendra Paji, Tanveer Singh Bittu Paji, Arpan Paji, Ranjit Singh. And guys, these brothers have made this happen. I mean, this is teamwork, and these are true givers, go-givers to the community. They don't expect anything back, they just want community to be a better, stronger community. And our advisors, so as we're expanding, we're getting a lot more really world-class advisors where they come on a quarterly basis. They take 2 days in a quarter to come on site and help us with the strategy of SACC. And that's where SCC Global, the whole concept, is because we sat down with everyone and how to do it in Canada, where they were looking for 6 Canadian Chamber of Commerce, so that's why we are like 6 Chamber of Commerce, and 6 Chamber of Commerce, Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, UK, wherever the city is, that's our vision. And I can't thank enough to people where they have worked so hard to make this happen, this gala happen, and every event that happened that we have seen in the pictures. This is the team behind it. They take their time from their businesses, their jobs, to put these events together. They work day in, day out, day out to kind of make these programs successful. So I'm going to ask, first of all, Jasminder, who is our center for SACC. Jasminder, please get up. Stand up. Please stand up. Hardeep Singh, Hardeep Singh, and guys, when I say that these guys work until 5:30 in their jobs and then they come and help SACC. These are pillars of our SACC. And last but not the least, we have people from other chapters. So we have president of our Kentucky chapter, Ravi Singh, Just Sheklo, and let's see, so guys from Kentucky, please stand up. Everybody, please. And we have a representation from our Delhi chapter as well, Paul Singh. Yeah. Thank you. So, if you like, if you think SACC can help you or you can help someone, make a difference in someone's life, please join us today. And we have application on the website. I mean, together we can do it, right? So we have come a long way in the last 5 years, but we need everyone's support. Students, please join so that you can find mentors. You can come and get guidance. Like, when I tell my kids as well, that world is brutal out there, right? The story that you have seen, I hope some of, starting with my kids, they know what, how the world looks like and what you need to do to be successful. Please, so for students, for professionals, for your professional development, for your leadership development, you got to be involved. With business, people, entrepreneurs, where they're established, where you can take some time and give back. Please, this is the platform where you can come, give your time, so that other community members are successful. Thank you very much.
So we are